Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Hello and welcome to Campaign Builders, the ultimate software to automate your business using agentic AI. Well, so far you've been using AI like a prompt machine, prompting to get every outcome. So whenever you need to create social media content, you go out there and prompt GPT. But now things are gonna change because your AI team will take over and work just like a human team, delivering the content to you, letting you post it according to your own desire, and let you work with your team just like you work with human team members. So let's get started and take a look at Campaign Builders. Now, when you get started, your console will have a number of campaigns like I have on my console. That's how it should look. If you're running an agency, you can create a campaign each dedicated to one of your clients, dedicated to each clients. And if you are promoting your own business and you've got a multiple products line, you can create a campaign dedicated to each products line. If you scroll down on the dashboard, you will see things like the number of posts that were created and how many posts were created today. You can see all of the posts that were created in all of your campaigns in one unified view. And to get into a campaign, all you need to do is click on the campaign name itself. If you want to create a new campaign, just click on see all and you can see all the campaigns that you've already created, and you can add a new one over here. For our demo, I'm going to go into a campaign that I already created. Now, I've already got a bunch of team members here. These are all specialized agentic AIs, and each of them does a specific task. Like Samira is a brand expert. Amina is all about customer engagement. John is into reporting. Kai is a videographer to create videos. So lots of different people, everyone handling a different task, just like a normal team. And you can recruit new people just by clicking on manage team. And you can see all the team members are here. To recruit a new team member, click on recruit, and you can see I've got already people like designers, engagers, reporters, videographers, promoters, meme creators, and responders, customer responders. So all of these are recruited. Now, when I click on a position that I want to fill, like trend catcher, I can just click on view detail, and the AI will use its entropy engine to create a high quality custom AI that works just like a unique person and behaves and has a personality that is distinct. Check this out. This is the new person that's being recruited, and you can set it up according to your own wishes. If you want to change the bio, you can change the bio. If you want to regenerate the image, you can. You can choose what languages they work in. You can choose how often they will create content for you. So it can be daily, twice a week, once a week, or as trends emerge, totally up to you. You should also be able to choose, or you can choose, where should they look for trends. Social media industry, Google, all the sources, right? And what type of trends they should focus on. So you can pick up absolutely anything you want, and it will even tell you what topics to target. So you've got some ideas over here. If you want to change that, you can. Otherwise, you can just click on this and add the trends that are relevant to your business, or you can remove the trends that are not relevant to your business. If you want to add something new like marketing ideas, any topic you want, click on add and it will be added. So it actually does a lot of the job for you. So it recommended what topics you can target. You can change them as you want. You can change the display name, and you can even control the AI that they use in the backend. So is it Gemini, GPT, Claude, or Grok? You can choose that. And once you're ready to go, you can click on add to team. And before I continue, I just want to tell you one little secret. The people that you recruit are absolutely culturally connected to the company you set up, to the campaign you set up. So if this campaign that I have got going is set up in a region where you've got a certain kind of people, and if you set up the campaign in Europe or America or Southeast Asia or Japan, for example, the team members that you recruit will be accordingly of the same culture. The reason is that gives you maximum relevance, right? Click on add to team, and now the team is done, and you can see your entire team is set up, and now you've got Neha Kapoor also as a part of the team. So let's go back from here and look at the other stuff that we have in this. So I'm going to go back to businesses, and I'm going to go back to Techniforce, and how easy it is to set up the work, how easy it is to get work. I'm going to show you that in a second. Here is a little selection of the content that my team has been producing. You can see it's been all kind of stuff. It's been videos, images, short content, text, memes, everything. So here is a video, for example, that one of the videographers created. And similarly, you can see you've got like engagement or brand promotion of your products. So all of that is done by different people at different times based on the mandate that you give them. And how do you do that? Well, it's very easy. You can just click on this, and this is like a chat, exactly the way you talk to your real employees. You can talk to your current employees and they will do the work for you in this chat window, deliver the work to you in the chat window, and of course you can also see it on the wall. Let me give you an example. Like I can talk to a particular person, just type at, and for example, Neha is new, I can talk to her. Can you make sure that you give me a new trend post tomorrow? I want to post something in the morning. Just be natural. Tell exactly what you want to the AI. And here is the response. I've scheduled a daily trend post for technical marketing starting tomorrow morning. So it actually does the work just like a real person. You look for something that's related to technology. You can talk to the AI, tell it what you need, and it will get that done. And when the content is ready, it will be delivered in the chat, and you can consume it from the chat. You can take it and post it directly from the chat. And how do you do that? Well, we've got a super special system for that. It's very easy. There are two ways actually. The first way is you can, if you want to automate everything, you can connect your campaign to Buffer. So when you click on business and you click on settings, just click on next, and here scroll down, put in your Buffer key, and just save this campaign. And now you will be able to post from your chat to Buffer. So I've not connected any accounts to the Buffer yet, but if you click on the share button right over here, you will be able to select your Buffer channels and share to them. That makes it very easy for you to automate everything if you want to. But there is an even better way, because we want to maximize your reach, and Campaign Builder is designed to use the organic behavior that all the social media sites want you to do. So you should be posting content that you have, whether it's content to your LinkedIn or Facebook or Instagram, whatever you generate content for, you need to post that content to your social media sites from your phone, and that gives you the maximum AI reach. So to facilitate that, what we've done is we've created a special app. So for every campaign, a special app is created, and you can install it on your phone by just clicking on install the app, and there is a QR code that you can scan with your phone and put the app on your phone. So let me remind you, every campaign gets its own special app. So if you are an agency provider, all you need to do is take this QR code, save the image, send the QR code to your customer through email or WhatsApp or any other way. They can get the QR, they can scan the QR, and they can put the campaign on their phone, and they will get automatic delivery of the content, all done for them. You don't have to move a thing, and they will be able to post directly from the phone, and you can charge a nice retainer, giving them a bill every single month. So that's how easy it is. And by the way, the app name is branded by the campaign name itself, so it is absolutely white labeled for you. It doesn't say Campaign Builders anywhere in the app, so that you can actually charge the way you want, and you can even make it a personalized service or make it a service that you created. Now let's take a look at the app and see how that will work. And there I am inside the Technic-Force app. This is a special app created only for Technic-Force. Just click on it and it will open the entire marketing campaign on your phone. And now you can talk to any team member just like you talk to them on the computer. So you can even do a group chat and you can review the work that they did for you. And if you need any work done, you can just ask, like, I need a post for X about marketing. Just put it there, and the right relevant person will respond. If they need any other information, they'll ask you, like Twitter or X, topic small business, and there you have it. The post is ready. If you want to change it for anything, you can change it. If you want to make any changes, you can. Otherwise, you can just copy it and post it to your X. So right from your phone, just go to X, and now you can just paste it here, And that's how easy it can be to make a post, right? Now you can do anything. You can ask for a video too or an image too. I want for example, I want an image, business owner stressed. So anything that you need on the fly, you can get it right away. So Amina is making the image. She's our image expert. And there you have it. This is the stressed business owner. And you can similarly assign work for future on your phone too. Give me ClickForce tomorrow at 5 a.m. So just assign the task and the relevant person will automatically pick it up and then give you the post tomorrow. So like, look at this, Zanile, Moyo already pick up the post and they will give you the post tomorrow. So that's how easy it is to work with a team member. Now, if you want to work with a special person, let's say you want a meme. So let's go to Max, he's the memester, and ask him for a meme. And you got some ready-made options that you can select, like create a funny meme about industry. Now you can also put in your own stuff, like create a funny meme about a sad marketer, and just click on go. And now Max is working, getting you the meme. And there we have it. My marketing strategy is as effective as a screen door on a submarine. You got it within seconds, right? So this is how your team can just get the work done for you. And these are all specialists, just like your existing team, just like your real team members. And this is the content wall. It's also available on the mobile. Anytime you want to pick out an older content piece that your team created and you want to post it or something, just click on view. And now you can copy it, download it to your computer, post it from your mobile phone direct to the social media site that you're on. Now remember, your app continues working, your team continues working, whether you are online or not, they continue delivering. Anytime you come in, you will find all the work done and you are ready to go with it right away. Coming back to your computer, you can continue monitoring the work and continue assigning work to the people, to your team, inside of the team chat or inside of your campaign. Again, it's so easy. You can ask for information. You can even brainstorm with your team. For example, Kai, you can ask Kai, and you can ask it, what are you working on, just like a real person, and it will tell you exactly what they are doing and when it will be delivered. So this is incredibly lifelike teamwork, only possible through this modern technology called agent orchestration, and it's all a part of this new app, Campaign Builders. All the work that you do is here. It's delivered to your phone, auto posted using Buffer or manually posted by you. But that's not all. You can even create recurring tasks for your team super easily. All of your team members just use the edit button and you can see the kind of tasks that they've been assigned, like how often do you want posts, the topics they're using, and you can change it any way you want. For example, if you want to update this to once a month, you can. If you want to update this to twice a week, you can. And that way, same going for everyone, like if you want a daily post, you can choose the periodicity you want. So you can modify the tasks given to any person, and depending on what they're doing, like this is a meme creator, you can decide how many times you want a meme organically sent to you. This just makes your entire work autopilot. You don't even need to go to your team every day and tell them, I want this done today. You can just give them a broad picture of what you want to do all month, and they will just keep delivering the content to you. And all you need to do is just log in with your app and get to work. And whenever you want to change things a little, whenever you want to shake up things a little, you can easily let a person go. Let's say you want to change the promoter, you want to make the next promoter something different, you want to use the entropy engine to give you a new taste, new flavor, new style of doing work. Just fire the person, delete them, remove from your company, and then recruit that same profile all over again. So you will get a totally new kind of person, totally new execution doing the work for you. So that way you can keep your marketing totally fresh all the time. Check this out. We have a 100% fresh employee, Diego Arboleda, and he's got his own new style of working, and that will be different. That will be different from what you've done earlier. And that way, again, you can make your team totally different, to vibe differently, work differently, and make your content fresh all the time. So this is how campaign builders work. And if you're ready to automate your online marketing, get access today, and I will see you inside.